The little Switzerland of Minas at 1,550 m in the mountains is a village founded by a European that became a winter refuge. A Latvian immigrant climbed the Serra de Mantiqueira in search of a place similar to his homeland, the little Switzerland of Minas. He founded a farm, and the village became Monte Verde, today one of the 3 Category A destinations in Minas Gerais tourism. The Latvian dream that became an alpine village in southern Minas. The story begins with Werner Grinberg, a Latvian immigrant who arrived in Brazil in 1913. After visiting Campos do Jordão on his honeymoon, he looked for a quieter mountain to live on and chose this stretch of the Mantiqueira on the border with São Paulo. The district belongs to the municipality of Camandacaya and sits at an altitude of 1,550 m, surrounded by peaks over 2,000 m. The legacy of the first residents explains the alpine architecture of the main avenue and the nickname Brazilian Switzerland, used by the State Tourism Department. Monte Verde is among the 3 Category A destinations on the Minas Gerais tourism map, alongside Belo Horizonte and Tiradentes, according to a hearing of the Legislative Assembly of Minas Gerais, YLMG. Monte Verde MG, a mountain district of Camandacaya, alpine chalets, ecological trails, and European climate at 1,554 m in the Mantiqueira. What is there to do in the village besides the main avenue? The village can be explored on foot, but the trails and viewpoints are just a few minutes away by car. The itinerary mixes nature, shopping, and food stops in places away from the center. Redonda Rock, a rocky peak at 1,990 m above sea level on the border between Minas and São Paulo. Short trail, 360-degree view. Old Pine Trail, an easy 600 m path that leads to a centuries-old araucaria, about 500 years old. Airport viewpoint, runway at 1,600 m, considered one of the highest in the country. View of the Chapeau do Bispo, Redonda, and Celadu peaks. Monte Verde Avenue, 1 kilometer of alpine facades, chocolate shops, knitwear stores, and restaurants. At night, it gets special lighting. Fazenda Radical, a 475 m zip line at a height of 70 m, treetop adventure and climbing, recommended for those traveling with teenagers. A mountain of fondue, trout, and craft beer. The altitude and the cold helped establish a mountain cuisine rare in other parts of the state. The center concentrates traditional restaurants, and the outskirts hold trout farms and breweries.